Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy altcoin investments with Kraken, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Kraken account if you don't already have one. Visit the Kraken website and click on sign up. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Next, confirm your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new Kraken account. Complete the identity verification process to comply with regulatory requirements. Select the appropriate verification level based on your investment needs. Provide the necessary identification documents as prompted. Once verified, fund your account using your preferred payment method. You can choose from bank transfers, credit/debit cards, or other cryptocurrencies. Navigate to the Funding tab to select your payment option. Follow the instructions for your chosen payment method to deposit funds. After funding your account, go to the Markets tab. Search for your desired altcoin by entering its name or symbol in the search bar. Select the altcoin from the list of results. Review the trading pairs available for that altcoin. Choose a trading pair that matches the currency you funded your account with. Click on the Buy button to proceed with your order. Enter the amount of altcoin you wish to purchase. Select the order type that suits your trading strategy. You can choose between market or limit orders. If using a limit order, set your desired price. Double-check the transaction details before confirming your order. Once confirmed, your order will be processed based on its type. To view your holdings, navigate to the Portfolio tab. You will see your altcoin investments listed along with their current values. To deploy those investments, consider transferring them to a secure wallet. Select a reliable wallet compatible with your altcoin for added security. Follow the instructions to withdraw funds from your Kraken account to your wallet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.